Hello, I'm Dr. Sindhu, one of treating doctor here today. May I confirm your good name and age, please? Nice to meet you, Mrs. Alaraki. May I know what brings you here today? Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Anything else? I'm very sorry to hear about it, Mrs. Alaraki, and I totally understand your concerns that being a parent, how stressful situation would be for you. But Mrs. Alaraki, before I come to the management part, I would like to ask you a few questions to better understand Asima's condition. Is it okay with you? Mm-hmm. Okay, Mrs. Alaraki, and so is your daughter Sima accompanying you today? It would be better if you accompanied her, like I had to examine her. Okay, so I'll ask you a question regarding her condition. Okay, thanks for your cooperation, Mrs. Alaraki. So, since when she is having this age? Mm-hmm. So, have you noticed what areas are especially involved? Mm-hmm. So, at which time it is more? Anybody else in the family having similar problem? Mm-hmm. And does she have any rash with it? And does she have fever with it? Mm-hmm. Okay, Mrs. Alaraki, if Seema is suffering from any medical condition like asthma and diabetes mellitus, any skin-related problem, any immediate family member suffering from any skin-related problem? Mm-hmm. Okay, have you tried any medication so far? Okay, Mrs. Alaraki, have you noticed any aggravating factor? Okay, more at night. And any relieving factor? Mm-hmm. Okay, Mrs. Alaraki, may I know what was the mode of delivery? Okay, and whether her all immunizations are done up to her age? Okay, and how about her appetite? Is she feeding adequately and properly? Mm-hmm. Has she achieved all her milestones according to other children of her age? Mm-hmm. Okay, Mrs. Alaraki, have you changed any, soap or lotion or shampoo recently? Mm-hmm. Clothes? Mm-hmm. Have you visited recently someone with some problem, with some symptoms? Okay. Who look after her at home? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, Mrs. Laraki, did rash or itch started after taking some medicine? Okay. Have you noticed she is scratching over these lesions? Is there any vesicular rash with it? Okay, Mrs. Araki, the symptoms you have discussed with me and questions I have asked, I come to the conclusion that most probably Sima is suffering from condition what we call in medical terminology is scabies. Do you know anything about scabies? You need not to be worried, Mrs. Alaraki. I'm here to explain it to you. Actually, it is caused by a very tiny, almost invisible insect which lays on skin, okay, and somewhat like head lice in our hairs, okay, and this insect lays eggs under the skin at night, which causes itching more at night, okay. But let me reassure you, Mrs. Alaraki, that it is not a serious condition. But yes, it is extremely contagious disease, and it can spread from a direct contact with a person with clothes and bed linen. Okay, so for this reason, you have to keep her very neat and clean, and at the same time, you'll have to keep your bed sheets, clothes, and routine utensils very neat and clean. Okay, and wash them daily at home, okay, and put them under sun and iron from front and back both, okay, and do not send clothes for laundry, okay, and bed linen, because as I stated it is contagious and it can spread to others by clothes and the bed linen. Okay, is everything clear till now? Should I repeat it again for you? Mm-hmm. Okay, so Mrs. Alaraki, I'm offering you a medicine called permethrin 5% for Sima. Okay, after taking a bath, okay, dry her skin and apply lotion. Okay, and apply this over whole body, below neck to feet, including scalp, neck, face, and ears, and ensure finger and toes webs are covered. Okay, and brush lotion under the ends of fingertips and toenails. And then second application can be done after 1 week if needed. Yes, Miss Alaraki. Reapply to whole body after 1 week and reapply to hands alone if washed with soap less than 8 hours after application. Okay, and this may need to be repeated a few times to complete treatment. Okay, and let me encourage you, as I stated, that it is contagious. So it is important for all family members to be treated at the same time, okay, to cure it completely. Okay, and so leave the lotion, apply for overnight, and take bath again in morning. Okay, use a different set of properly washed clothes and bed linen. Okay, and it may cause, some skin irritations. Okay, and sometimes the rash get infected. So if I should develop any pussy boil, okay, then you should seek immediate treatment. Okay, maybe she'll need antibiotic as well, or topical antibiotics. Okay, is everything clear till now? Mm-hmm. Okay, should I summarize it again for you? Okay, so Mrs. Alaraki, first we talk about the itching, okay, and about the areas involved, and then talk about immunization, okay, and then explain to you scabies, okay, and then we talk about how to limit its spread, okay, and lastly we talk about management. Okay, is everything clear till now? Should I repeat it again for you? Okay, Mrs. Alaraki, I am arranging a second follow-up visit after 1 week. Is it convenient to you? Yes, and bring her, okay, along with yourself. Okay. Okay, Mrs. Alaraki, is there anything else you want to discuss with me today? Okay. Okay, Mr. Alaraki, here is a leaflet. It includes all the information regarding these scabies. Okay. I hope it will be helpful for you. Okay. I wish a speedy recovery. Okay. Take care. Bye-bye.